Hello everyone, have a nice day. I will clean the kitchen. Guys, linis muna ako dito sa clean kitchen. When I finish this, I will go to the laundry room. Today is my laundry. But first, I will clean this clean kitchen. OFW life. Always busy. Alam nyo guys, ito, tingnan nyo guys yung gas ray namin. Ito guys. Ito guys. Buksan natin ito guys. Pwede ka dito magawa ng hamburger. Guys. Or mag-ano ka, ano ng tinapay. Mag-init ng tinapay. Ito guys, oh. Parang ganyan siya guys. Pwede ka dito mag-ano ng hamburger. Very nice guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Tapos, dito guys, may maliit na sink. So, linisan ko muna yung maliit na sink. Bilis lang guys, kasi hindi naman madumi. Minsan lang naman dito yun ginagamit pag dami doon sa lutuin doon sa dirty kitchen. Dito yung iba. Dito iba niluluto. Especially pag may mga guest kami guys. This is very good idea, clean kitchen guys. And you know, counter table is very close. Look, here is the counter table. Here. Very good kitchen ideas guys. Here is the gas range and the sink. And we have counter table. while you are cooking, you can make a coffee. And you know, the coffee maker is here, near also, guys. Look. Coffee maker. You see? So amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all. OFW Life, work mode.